Okay, talk.
It's about when I do my soap, I go to Mother and then I go outside in the other house and then he threw me away and then he opened the door and then I was going in and I said, help me, help me, help me.
And then what happened?
Because I don't want to go in there.
Why not?
Because I don't like to go in here because I don't like to go in their house.
Oh. And what happened to Tiffany?
Tiffany helped me and open the door and helped me to open the door and their stuff. I won't there.
Oh, and what happened to your baby there?
Because my baby's not gonna be, it's not gonna go there because she's afraid.
She's afraid?
He's afraid.
She's afraid of what?
He's afraid of mosquito because he don't like this mosquito because he doesn't like them.
Oh, okay. And do you like mosquitoes?
No, I don't like mosquitoes because I'm afraid that's it.
Oh, okay. And did you have fun in your birthday party?
Listen. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And then I blow the candle and I say,
Oh, and did you make a wish?
yeah, I make a wish.
And what did you wish?
I wish like this.
Okay. And what is that you have in your hand?